So Lauren Henry, since I made a video for you last Wednesday, I decided to make a video for you this Wednesday. And I didn't go running, so I don't have any running stories to tell you because I couldn't run today. But I'm going to try to do something. This is something I learned at a party that was years ago. And it's funny. And I can't quite do it perfectly, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, so here we go. So first thing you do is you have to get a beat. You have to go... And then you have to add the melody. And the melody is the organ grinders, you know, da, 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 da. But you go, and you do that while you're doing the beat. Excuse me. Kind of a tricky thing. So, if you're not a professional musician. So, here we go. So, I'm going to try to do the whole song with the... Alright, that was it. Have a good day.